this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a smooth text fade transition. To begin, import a video clip and add the desired text to your timeline. Now ensure the text clip is selected and head to the Effect controls under the Video section. There, you'll find the opacity setting. Click on Opacity's freeform pen tool for our work. Now on the video preview, click near the top left corner to create the first point of a large rectangle. Continue adding 3 more points from left to right, forming the complete rectangle, and close it by clicking on the initial point again. Next, let's create the animation. Move the playhead to the point where you want the text to start fading in, and click the stopwatch next to the mask path to set a starting keyframe. If the mask disappears, click on Mask 1 to make it visible again. Now, drag the mask to the side from where you want the text to fade in. Ensure the mask is entirely out of the frame. Now, move the playhead to where you want the text to be fully revealed and reposition the mask back over the text. This action will automatically create a second keyframe, completing the animation. If you play the timeline now, the animation should be visible, but it might resemble more of a wipe than a fade. To fix this, select the text clip again, and in the Effect controls, increase the mask's feather. You may need to adjust this value depending on the size of your mask and text. Increasing it creates a smoother fade effect. If you find the fade is a bit slow, you can speed it up by dragging the second keyframe closer to the first one. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.